Hi friends, if you are in plan of making a website for restaurant, this video is exactly for you. I am happy to record this video as I got a wonderful theme for restaurant, and in this video we are going to install the GoodResto WordPress theme, which also comes with the WooCommerce facility, so you can use this theme for your restaurant website along with the e-commerce facility. And this theme has been developed by Innova Themes and it was developed in 2018, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. GoodResto is a feature-rich, complex yet too easy to use restaurant, cafe and bakery WordPress theme with super flexibility, amazing eye-catching animation, fully responsive and unique design. And you can install the complete demo in just few clicks. So from its beautifully structured code to the advanced gallery layouts and the crazy custom widget options to the integration of the best plugins for WordPress and its incredibly fluid and modern responsive design, you'll like everything on this theme. And if we talk about the demo website, this is the demo website of GoodResto WordPress theme, and it has very clear and to the point look, and it has all the feature which a restaurant website needs. And this is the very dynamic menu style which is really helpful for visitors of your restaurant, and you will be able to make orders and sell items online without any doubt. And I'm just showing you this is the order panel, and it fully supports the WooCommerce. So and it has very wonderful pages itself, functions, team booking system is also very good. I'll just show you. This is the reservation system, and number of persons and time can be decided, and additional notes for your table booking. And this is restaurant opening hours, and it has been shown on the home page as well. And this theme has many home pages. So home alternative is here, home video is here, home one page, has been aesthetically so you can choose, and it depends on what to choose. And theme for restaurant website, this is home 4. So you will love all the demo websites and you can choose any for your website project. This is parallax demo and it is wonderful. So in this video we are going to install the GoodResto WordPress theme along with the demo content, and we will also preview the theme options and the customization options. And you can get this theme at the WP Themes website. I'm going to give the link of my website where you can get this theme. Just you need to subscribe and get the theme, and you will be easily make a website using this theme. So let us begin the installation. For this I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which 2021 WordPress theme with the latest version of WordPress has been installed, and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have demos, so demos are here. GoodResto, the theme pack, child theme, licensing, some plugins has been given, snippets are here. So everything has been bundled in the theme pack along with the manual document. So without any further delay, let us begin the installation. For this, we have to go in the theme section of WordPress, click on add new, upload themes, choose file, and here you need to choose the GoodResto .zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same in the WP content theme folders. I'm doing the same. It will save some time. However, both activities are same. Don't get confused. You can upload the theme either from WordPress panel or directly on your server. I have chosen to upload at server, and the theme file size is 17.62 MB. It is moderate size, and it can referred as the lightweight theme. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this GoodResto folder in which we got all the theme components. Folder and files are here. Now just delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space. It is not required now. Now go to the theme section again, and okay, so here is the GoodResto theme as another theme option for us. Now let us check the details. This is GoodResto version 3.0 by Innova Themes. GoodResto Premium Restaurant and Cafe WordPress theme. Activate it now. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins to run this theme. Let us check what plugins are given. And these are the list of plugins, which are some of them are required and rest are recommended only. And this theme uses Reservation slider, WP Visual Composer, and some add-ons are here. Contact Form 7, regenerate thumbnail, one-click demo is for importing demo, WooCommerce and its associates are here. I am choosing to install all plugins in one go. I am just skipping the I am not skipping anyone. Let it be installed. I am choosing to install all the plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid errors. And if you are taking hosting from us, you shall be getting the same capacity server, which works very fine and comes in very reasonable, very reasonable price. So you can check with our website. Okay, fine. So all plugins has been installed, and now we need to activate all the installed plugins. Just select one and activate all. Now all plugins has been installed and activated. Go to the dashboard. It may require further setting for WooCommerce, and yes, it is redirecting to WooCommerce setup. And you need to put the original data here, whichever is applicable for you, and finish the WooCommerce setup. I am just skipping. It is not required for demonstrating. Okay, fine. So now we are good with the theme and the plugins. Let us take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and plugins. And this is the basic look of GoodResto WordPress theme, and it is of course without any demo content. And at this stage we need to have demo content to make a target website like this or anyone. So come back to the dashboard. and now I'm looking for the demo content importer option, and it is laying under the appearance import demo data, and the theme uses one-click demo import, and it is showing what server vitals are required. It should be very clear with your hosting, without which the demo import will not run successfully. And now here we can choose any of the demo. It is main demo, full, Italian demo, light demo, and bakery demo. You can choose whatever is your requirement. I am choosing the main one and just clicking the import, and yes, I am importing this. It may take up to 10 minutes. It is clearly written. So now demo import process has been started, and it may take up to 10 minutes depending upon your internet speed and your server and the developer server integrations. So we have to be wait patiently here and let the process get complete, and don't refresh or leave this page. It may break the operation. Just wait and wait for good thing, and you will reach on this screen once the demo content gets fully imported. And now we can even deactivate and delete the one-click demo imported plugin. It is not required. So now it's time to take a look of our website. What comes with the demo? It is going to be loaded here, and yes, everything is fine, and slider is somehow not here, and I will definitely fix this. So slider 1 is not found. Okay, let us check where is the slider, and we can check in the revolution slider why slider 1 is not here. Okay, so no slider is here, and we can check whether it is available in the demo. So demos main. Okay, slides are here, home 5, home 6, and fine. Home 1 is required, slider 1 is here, and so all the sliders are here only, so you need not worry for this. We will simply import slider 1 from the demo pack, and it is simple. Just you need to click on manual import, click to choose demos, main, slides, slider 1, and just open it. It is simply simple, and here now it should work. Yes, it was very simple, and the website is complete, and it was so simple to install and run the demo importer, and we got a wonderful website in this activity. And we can check the shop as well. So there is no item in the shop, no worries. We have to add our own items. Of course it will work, and this is the extra side menu. Sidebar menu is here, and everything is fine, and we have home pages, and of course we can use any of the home page, and just we need to import the sliders separately, and all home pages are here. Okay, fine. So everything is good with this theme as of now, and we have done the activity successfully and we got a wonderful website. Now I'll show you the theme options, what we got additional, and the WP setup. Just go to the dashboard. I'm just looking for the dashboard. Okay, fine. So this is the so this is the dashboard, and now we can check what is additional here. And under appearance, theme settings has been given, and rest things are common as in WordPress. So I'll just show you the theme settings. This is the theme setting for GoodResto 3.0. General settings are here. CSS, you can use additional CSS or default CSS is already here. Effects, smooth scroll, custom scroll, and color can be changed from here. And page title section, navigations, the header top, logo upload, standard header, WooCommerce mini cart, mega menu, mobile header, custom language switcher, sidebar menu, full screen menu, footer menus. So these are the navigation settings, and it is really broad. We are having complete control on your website. And this is the typography, social, sidebar, forms. So forms is also important part, as the theme is using form, widget styling, blog, events, and menu setting is also here. Menu title, section background can be changed, and no settings 404, and the import export. So these are the options to handle this theme and customize this theme. And now I'll show you how to edit any page. I'm just editing this page, that is the home page. Just click on edit page option, and the theme uses WP Bakery Page Builder, and it is very simple to use. Even a non-technical person can do such changes. Just click on backend editor, and everything is activated now. And you just need to click on simply pencil icon, and you can change the text simply. And just keep in mind that you have to use same length text to maintain the integrity of website. And I will rather recommend you to make a copy of home page at least using an duplicator plugin before you start editing and putting your original content. Just in case you made a mistake, it will be helpful for you. You can restore the backup home page at least, and you will be fine to go. And I believe you can do this at your own. And just in case you have any question regarding this theme, you can definitely get in touch with me. In the description of this video, I am giving the link of my website where you can start a discussion thread with me, and I'll try my level best to resolve all your queries. And you are going to get this theme at my website. It is simply available there, and you can choose to have the hosting plan as well. And I will wait for your subscription for this channel, and I'm going to bring wonderful videos, utilities, and plugins for you. Just stay tuned. Thanks.